Assalamualaikum guys, hope you all are doing well. This is a continuation video of the previous analysis that I posted on EURUSD. Now, let me walk through all of you guys at the situation that occurred on our analysis. I will be covering most of the time frames for you guys to learn the best out of this video, so hang tight. Starting off from the weekly time frame. This last red candle was the one which was being formed when we were doing the analysis, so the market fulfilled our first condition of making rejection from the EMA 50. The second was to go down and reject from the lower bands. These were the possible conditions from the previous analysis. Let's filter this out on daily time frame. Starting from here, the sell momentum was too strong. Here we have our first sign of reversal, that is extreme. Here you can see it clearly. The MA5 high going out from the Bollinger Bands. After extreme, we have our MLD point. It means the market is not able to make a new momentum. Thus lost in momentum occurs in the weakness of the trend. Now we have our first two conditions, extreme and MLV occur. Extreme and MLV. Now let's check whether we have stoppage or not. If I zoom out, you can clearly see low Bollinger Bands. The low bands are in curved shape. That means we have the third condition also fulfilled. This was the area where the MLV formed. We check stoppage. After the MLV formation, from here, the Bollinger Bands started curving. We can place our first entry here at the MLV point. And can place our stop loss below the low. Entering from this area would have given a good risk to reward. After the completion of reversal setup, we have our buy confirmation in the form of CSAK buy. Remember guys, stoppage is very important in BBMA. After stoppage, CSAK occurs in the form of confirmation. After CSAK buy in daily time frame, we don't know whether it will reverse to do re-entry in daily. So we use H4 in order to catch the buy wave. If daily does not do re-entry, we use H4 because if H4 re-entry fails, only then it will look for daily re-entry. If H4 respects, then the price will not go for daily re-entry. It will continue in the buy direction. Let's have a look at this concept on H4. Buy momentum in H4 and CSAK buy in daily time frame. After momentum we have the re-entry in H4. And this re-entry is very powerful. When a re-entry consists of mid-BB, EMA 50, It is considered to be very powerful. After re-entry, we have another buy momentum. So the market respects the G for and does not go for daily. Again, same concept, momentum re-entry. And it is powerful because it consists of mid-BB and the MA510. Momentum. Re-entry. And another momentum. Now it is doing re-entry again. But it can go lower because the market is overextended, and it needs a little bit of correction. It can reject from mid-BB, or it can chase down EMA50. If it does that, then it will be a nice pullback. So again, these are the present conditions for the market. Chasing down EMA50 will be a cause of daily re-entry. As daily also has a momentum buy, it will be a good re-entry. Let's hope it plays out as expected. Remember guys, the higher time frames are the most important ones because they give direction. And direction is the key to profitable trading. And now the market has made CSAK buy in weekly. CSAK buy is also a good indication of potential buy continuation. But for now, we should focus on the lower time frames to get the entries. We also had CSAK sell. It should have respected the MA510 high and dropped. But this is the art of direction. After a long spending of time in the markets, you can have this skill. The setups work with the direction. We should try to get the direction right. Besides a BBMA, there's also a buy setup from the F5 setups. You can also check the F5 setups in my channel. The link will be in the description. Both the setups combined gave rise to huge volume. The target is the next high. Okay guys, this is the whole situation for EURUSD. Hope you like this type of educational content. Bye bye.